सबसे हाईएस्ट सेलिंग आइटम है अमेजोन के ऊपर, एकदम बड़े साइज का पिस्ता रहता एंड इट इज वेरी माइल्डली सॉल्टेड। कैलिफोर्नियन आलमंड, दिस इज द हाईएस्ट सेलिंग एसकेयू दैट वी हैव। इज मामरा बादाम, कम्स फ्रॉम ईरान। इसका जो सीड है वो बहुत अच्छा रहता है हेल्थ के लिए। सबसे नाइस लुकिंग ग्रीन कलर का रेजन है। सनफ्लावर फ्लैक्स, वाटरमेलन, सेसमे, चिया, ऑल रोस्टेड एंड सॉल्टेड। लॉट ऑफ वैरायटीज, दीज आर ऑल berries and dehydrated foods. All these items are imported items. Anjeer Henna full white and full dried. Cold press oil. It is no preservatives, no flavor and 100% natural and organic. Cigar cinnamon. It comes from Vietnam. Ilaichi 7.5 mm to 8 mm ilaichi. This is Metzol dates. ये इसराइल और पैलेस्टीन के पास से आता है। Every gift box is customizable. आपको जैसा होना, जो सामान होना, we will give it for you. Somebody wants to just give for marriages and all that. Hello friends, welcome to Shivram Peshawari and Brothers. We are a 100-year-old company situated in Mozambique market in Hyderabad. We deal in all types of dry fruits, nuts, berries and seeds. We are one of the oldest dry fruit sellers in Hyderabad, and we cater to a lot of top clients, retail clients, wholesale, and we cater to across segments. एक कस्टमर को 250 ग्राम से लेके any tons तक माल सप्लाई कर सकते हैं। We have pricing, separate quality for all the customers. The video that we are shooting right now is mainly to show our premium quality products for our retail customer. It is just rang inside the Mozambique market, opposite to Karachi Bakery, where very big clock tower building is there. This is the main market actually, on the whole name, the area is there. It is about a 90-year-old market, and our business is here since the inception of the market. And we ship to all over India. If it's a small order, we send by courier. If it is a local order, we use the local bike services. And if it's a bulk order, we use transport services. हमारे पास online WhatsApp video call facility भी है. So whenever customer has any doubts or they want to check the product before they want to buy, we'll be very happy to provide them the WhatsApp calling facilities. In this video, we will show you a variety of nuts, dates, seeds, and all the other gourmet products that we are selling in our store. We will also show you the difference between our products and the other products. We will start with cashew nuts. So Kaju and cashew nut is one of our highest selling SKUs. We are also selling on not only on retail store, we also sell on Amazon, Paytm, Flipkart, all our marketplaces everywhere. So cashew is one of our highest selling SKU. I will tell you the reason why our cashew is very famous. Our cashew comes from a single factory across the year. एक ही फैक्ट्री से आता, पूरा साल सेम कैशू आता, एंड इट इज़ वेरी क्रिस्प, इट इज़ वेरी नीट, वेरी क्लीन एंड इट इज़ वेरी ग्रेडेड. सो इट इज़ नॉट कि अब पीपल सेल चीपर कैशूज बट उसमें बड़ा छोटा सब मिक्स कर देते. हमारे पास वैसा नहीं रहता, पूरा एक ही ग्रेड का आता, एकदम नीट और क्लीन आता. वी हैव लॉट ऑफ वैराइटीज़ इन कैशू इटसेल्फ. दिस इज़ आवर हाईएस्ट सेलिंग कैशू वैरायटी. इट इज़ कॉल्ड W240 grade. 240 means in 450 grams 240 pieces will come. We will give you a guarantee. अगर उससे कम आया, we will immediately going to refund your money. It's not that people will say something and give you something. We will not do like that. 240 means 240. It is one of our highest selling SKU. You can see it is neat, clean, and it is fully graded. Some of the grades of cashew that we have. This is W210 grade. This is a very big jumbo size cashew. It means in 450 grams आपको आएगा 210 pieces. This is W240, the highest selling. This is W320. This is mostly sold in rural areas and slightly smaller supermarkets and all. This is broken cashew. This is used for curry making and all that. The price range for broken cashew is about 800, 750, 800. Again, 4 piece means हमारा जो cashew आता है वो exact 4 piece रहता है. We don't meet 6 pieces and 8 pieces in it. That is why we are slightly premium. The 320 is 900 rupees, 240 is 1000, and this is 1200 rupees. So these are all retail prices. If somebody needs in bulk for 30-40 kgs, they have to contact us separately. Moving to our next highest selling product, it is almonds. Almonds, we have 3-4 varieties, but right now because the season is ending, abhi we have 2 varieties. This is the regular almond. This is a Californian almond. This is the highest selling SKU that we have. It is again very neat color, big size and very crunchy. So we buy very fresh. We don't keep much stock with us. It's always bought fresh and sold fresh. So right now price of almond is slightly higher. Earlier it used to be sold at 700-800 rupees. Abhi because there is a deficiency of crop, right now it is about 1000 rupees per kg in retail. The next variety of almond that we have is Mamra Badam. This is it comes from Iran and it is known for its high oil content value. So all the health conscious people, and this is actually called the real almond. So it has lot of oil content in this. तो इसमें ऑयल ज़्यादा रहता, तो जितने भी पुराने ख्यालात के लोग हैं वो लोग यही बादाम यूज़ करते हैं. दिस इज़ अबाउट 2300 रुपीज़ पर kg. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट वी हैव इज शाही पिस्ता. सो अगेन दीज आर वेरी बिग साइज्ड पिस्ता, एकदम बड़े साइज़ का पिस्ता रहता. all are open so that it's very easy and it is very mildly salted. हम लोग ज़्यादा नमक वाला पिस्ता नहीं खरीदते, एकदम माइल्ड सॉल्टेड रहता, वेरी क्रंची एंड वेरी फ्रेश. Price is about 1300 rupees per kg. In pista we have one more variant also. This is to meet our people who are not looking to buy very expensive. This is also good quality salted pista, slightly smaller in size, थोड़ा छोटा रहता है साइज में. Price is rupees 1000 rupees per kg. This is the third and the last variety of pista. This is हमारा सबसे हाईएस्ट सेलिंग आइटम है अमेजोन के ऊपर. दिस इज प्लेन पिस्ता. इट इज़ गुड फॉर हेल्थ कॉन्शियस पीपल, जो लोग नमक नहीं खाना चाहते, पीपल हु वांट टू अवॉइड सॉल्ट. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन. इट इज फुल ऑफ प्रोटीन्स एंड वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ. It is price is about 1800 rupees. But next item that we have is kishmish. Kishmish ke we have lot of varieties. We have almost 6 varieties of kishmish and munakka together. It ranges from 500 rupees a kg to 1200 rupees a kg. Kishmish mein we have Indian green, Indian yellow, we have Afghan green, Afghan black. We also have munakka variety with it. The first variety that we will start is yellow raisin. This is long, big sized yellow raisins, fully dry. People sell cheaper variants of 300, 400 rupees, but they are wet, so they catch pest very fast. This is fully dry raisin, big size, luxury quality it is called. Price is around 500 rupees per kg, but very big size. The next variety that we have is Indian green raisin. अब Indian green and Indian yellow, the difference is yellow is slightly tangy, खट्टा मीठा रहता. Green is again very sweet to eat. So थोड़े लोगों को green पसंद, थोड़ों को yellow. Price remains the same. Quality is almost the same for both of them. Just that one is sweeter, one is tangy. So the third range of raisin, तीसरा range in the normal category is the black raisin. This is Afghan black raisin with seed. इसका जो seed है वो बहुत अच्छा रहता है health के लिए. It is used for increasing the blood flow in the body. तो it is around 500 rupees per kg, fully dry material again. So now we come to premium range. वो middle range था, ये premium range के raisins है. इसको बोलते हैं अफगान ग्रीन रेजिन और सिंधुकानी किशमिश. इसमें बहुत वैरायटी आता. पीपल स्टार्ट विद 400, 500 रुपीज़, बट व्हाट वी गेट इज़ द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव वन, जो सबसे महंगा, सबसे बड़ा, सबसे नाइस लुकिंग ग्रीन कलर का रेजन है. इट इज़ अबाउट 1100 रुपीज़ पर केजी. ये खाने में बहुत स्वीट रहता. द नेक्स्ट वैरायटी दैट वी हैव इन प्रीमियम रेंज इज़ मुनक्का और बिग रेड रेजन. दिस ऑल्सो कम्स फ्रॉम अफगानिस्तान. ये इम्यूनिटी बूस्टिंग के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहता. इसको अगर कभी सर्दी खांसी हो गई तो इसको थोड़ा गर्म करके काली मिर्ची के साथ लोग खाते हैं. ये यूनानी मेडिसिन में भी बहुत यूज़ होता है, हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहता है. ये प्राइस इज अराउंड 1100 रुपीज़ पर केजी. द नेक्स्ट रेजन दैट वी हैव इज़ बिग लॉन्ग जंबो ब्लैक रेजन. ये आपको कहीं बाहर बहुत रेयरली मिलता, बहुत प्रीमियम क्वालिटी का सामान है. ये अफगानिस्तान से आता. प्राइस इज़ 1100. इट इज़ वेरी स्वीट टू ईट एंड इट इज़ सीडलेस. लास्ट टाइम वी हैव शोन सीडेड, बट दिस इज सीडलेस ब्लैक रेजन. इसमें सस्ते वाला भी आता, बट वी डोंट सेल दैट. या तो वी सेल सीडेड या वी सेल दिस अराउंड 1100 रुपीज़ पर केजी. अभी तक वी हैव शोन यू वैराइटीज़ इन किशमिश. अभी वी विल शिफ्ट टू वैराइटीज़ इन सीड्स. वी हैव लॉट ऑफ वैराइटीज. सीड्स का आजकल बहुत कॉन्सेप्ट हो चुका है. पीपल आर हैविंग इट एज एन हेल्दी स्नैक. इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ. इट हैज़ लॉट ऑफ प्रोटीन, लॉट ऑफ फाइबर. So we have a variety of seeds that we sell in our store. We have plain flax seeds. These are again fully sorted, cleaned flax seeds that we get. We get from a single factory in Pune. Price is around 200 rupees per kg. Some people prefer salted flax, so we also sell salted flax seeds. Similar, same factory. So we have very limited suppliers who are the best in the country. We only buy from them. Price is around 300 rupees per kg for salted flax seeds. Then we have chia seed. It is used like sabja ginjulu. It is poured in water, and then and then the bubbles come out. Then they have it. It's always also used for smoothies and shakes. Price is around 400 rupees per kg. This is imported chia seeds. Then we have a product called roasted and salted mix seeds. It has variety of. इसमें 7 varieties के seeds रहते हैं. Sunflower, flax, watermelon, sesame, chia. Everything is roasted and salted. Again from the same similar factory that we get. Price is around 600 rupees per kg. Then next is we have pumpkin seed. So pumpkin seed also there is lot of varieties which come in. We sell the AAA सबसे बड़ा size का pumpkin seed जो होता है, we sell that. Price is around 600. Pumpkin seeds are fresh and crispy to eat. You can also toss it on a pan and then make some nice drink and eat it. The next is sunflower seed. Again sunflower seed also, it comes from lot of sizes. In our store we sell the biggest size of sunflower seed which is available. Price is around 400 rupees per kg. After seeds we will move to our next category, which is berries. We have a variety of berries with us. It ranges from strawberry, cherry, kiwi, cranberry, blueberries, mixed berries, cherry, so a lot of varieties. These are all berries and dehydrated foods. All these items are imported items. We have strawberry, big size strawberries around 800 rupees per kg, dried mangoes around 900, dried kiwi, green color, very fresh, soft, around 600 per kg, cranberries, again whole cranberries. So we don't sell sliced cranberries, we sell whole, ekdam red color, whole cranberries, very juicy, very fresh, around 800 rupees per kg. These are blueberries. These are the most expensive berries. इसको आप ब्लूबेरी चीज़ केक पे डाल सकते हैं, केक्स में, मफिन्स में डाल सकते हैं. Price is around 1800. Health wise also it is very good for health. This is dry amla. It is used good for digestion. After food people can take 1 or 2. This is dry cherry. Again very tasty, good to eat. The kids also really like eating dry cherries. It's a good replacement for chocolates. Price is around 800 rupees per kg. We also have pineapples. This is round pineapple coin. These are dried pineapples, very crunchy and very tasty to eat. This is a new product that we have started selling in our store. It is mixture of, it's a trail mix. It's a mixture of nuts, berries, and seeds, and it is really taken off very well. These are all unsweetened dry fruits that we have inside. Very, very good. It has about 21 products in it, and it is very good and very tasty to eat. Price is around 900 rupees per kg. We will now move to some exotic nut sections. We have very good quality nuts. We will start with walnut. Walnut, we only sell Ambrosia brand. It is the most premium and the most expensive walnut that you can get. It is fully white in color. It is vacuum packed and you can use it for 6 months. It is very crunchy. We've got very good feedback. We've not got, हमारे को इससे कुछ complaint नहीं आया. वो जो कड़वाहट आती वो भी नहीं आती हमारे walnut में. That is why we are only selling one brand of walnut. Price is around 1500 rupees per kg. Hazelnuts are used for chocolates, cakes, and for making butters, dry fruit butters. उसमें hazelnut आता है, peanut butter में भी hazelnut आता है. Price is around 1200. Very big size and very nice quality hazelnuts. The next are Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are very good source of protein. Of late, a lot of dietitians are recommending Brazil nuts to their clients. It is also very good. It is believed to be a good cure for thyroids also. So a lot of people having thyroid are having Brazil nuts nowadays. It has really picked up from past like couple of years. Price is around 2200 rupees per kg. We will now shift to few other items that we sell in our store. This is another new item that people are preferring. It is called sky fruit. It is very light. It is used for sugar patients. It is believed that once you eat that you can reverse your diabetes. We are not sure, but lot of inquiries keep coming to us for sky fruit of late. Price is around 600 rupees per kg. It has to be taken with water. It is to be swallowed. It cannot drink it. Anjeer is our speciality. We will give you big size white color anjeer. That is the difference. लोग काला अंजीर लेते हैं, सस्ता लेते हैं, which is not good. अंजीर है ना full white and full dried. हमारे पास जो अंजीर है it ranges from 1500 to 1700 rupees per kg. कभी कभी 1300-1400 rupees वाला भी आ जाता है. Other items that we also have are apricots, full white, full dry, big size. People sell small apricots or black color apricots which are cheaper, but we sell the most premium quality. सबसे white, सबसे soft और सबसे बड़ा. Price is around 800 rupees. इसमें सेम आपको सीडलेस एप्रिकॉट भी मिल जाएगा. ये टर्की से आता है. टर्कल एप्रिकॉट्स and also called seedless apricot. Price is around 700 rupees per kg. Again fully orange and very big size apricots. We also have honey which is naturally organic. It comes from Arku Valley to us. We have 2-3 flavors in it. Eucalyptus honey, coconut honey and multifloral. We also get lemon honey in this. So this is not mixed with any flavor, but this is taken from those trees. Again, it is organic and very, very good quality honey. Price is 140 rupees for a bottle of 250 grams. Then we have saffron. This is pure A grade Irani saffron. Price is 250 rupees per gram. It is 100% quality assured. Then we have cold pressed oils. Again, आजकल lot of health for people health conscious people are having cold pressed oils. It is no preservatives, no flavor and 100% natural and organic. We have 3-4 flavors in it. We have sesame oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil. We also have groundnut oil in this. Then we have pool makhanas. So the difference between ours and others is our pool makhana comes from a factory which cleans every pool makhana. There are no black spots or shells on that. Very neat and clean. आपको इसमें pest भी नहीं आएगा. It is very nice. You just have to toss it. बहुत tasty बनता है. Around 1200 rupees per kg. We also have varieties of chikkis available like सूखा मेवा चिक्की, almond butter चिक्की, crushed peanut चिक्की. So like this 14 varieties of chikki we have. Very good for health, very tasty. Price ranges from 50 rupees to 100 rupees. Then we move to spices section. We don't do much spices, but only 2-3 spices that which are very exotic and very different we do. We do cigar cinnamon. It comes from Vietnam. It is very good in smell and taste. Very used for biryanis, also for making tea. Price is around 800 rupees per kg. We have cardamom elaichi 7.5 mm to 8 mm elaichi comes from Kerala. Price is around 2300 rupees per kg. We also sell cloves. Price is around 1000 rupees. These are the most premium quality cloves that you can get in the market. Okay, the next section that we have is date section. Dates हमारे पास बहुत सारा variety का. In India you get more than 100 varieties of dates, but we will sell only which are the most expensive or something which is very exotic. थोड़ा अच्छा रहना खाने में, अलग रहना, आपको मार्केट में नहीं मिलना वैसे डेट्स है. हमारे पास डेट्स 400 रुपीज़ से 1500 रुपीज़ तक के डेट्स है. 400 रुपीज़ का ये डेट है, इसको मरियम डेट्स बोलते हैं. ये ब्लैक कलर का आता, लॉन्ग रहता और खाने में बहुत अच्छा रहता. प्राइस इज़ 400 रुपीज़. दिस इज़ आवर स्टार्टिंग रेंज. देन वी हैव सुकरी डेट्स. प्राइस इज़ 500. एकदम सॉफ्ट डेट्स रहते हैं और जूसी डेट्स रहते हैं. प्राइस 500 रुपीज़ पर kg. दीज आर स्लाइटली एक्जॉटिक डेट्स, इसको सफावी डेट्स बोलते हैं. प्राइस इज़ अबाउट 800. ये बड़ा रहता, ब्लैक कलर का रहता और खाने में बहुत क्रंची और बहुत अच्छा रहता. 800 रुपीज़ पर kg. दिस इज़ मेड्जोल डेट्स. ये इजराइल और पैलेस्टीन के पास से आता है. प्राइस इज़ अराउंड 1400 रुपीज़ पर kg. जम्बो साइज डेट्स. This is the last and the final section of our video. We will show you, we have for Diwali, Dasera and all for all occasions for marriages. हमारे पास बहुत सारे gift boxes मिलते हैं. It ranges, every gift box is customizable. आपको जैसा होना, जो सामान होना, we will give it for you. It starts for about 250 rupees. It goes to about 1100. अगर आपको कुछ exotic trays होना तो we will make those also. I will quickly show you some of the starting ranges. Then you can have a look. This is our स्टार्टिंग रेंज बॉक्स. इट्स अ 200 ग्राम्स बॉक्स. इसमें 4 आइटम आते हैं, काजू बादाम पिस्ता किशमिश, अबाउट 50 ग्राम्स ईच. इट इज़ प्राइस अबाउट 250. देन यू हैव, इफ सम पीपल फॉर मैरिजेस एंड ऑल दे प्रीफर 5 ड्राई फ्रूट्स, सो दिस हैज़ 5 ड्राई फ्रूट बॉक्सेस. प्राइस इज़ अराउंड 350. इट्स सो बोथ ऑफ देम आर रीयूजेबल प्लास्टिक बॉक्सेस. अगर आपको प्लास्टिक नहीं, अगर आपको अट्टे में जाना है, कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्सेस, we have variety of cardboard boxes also. This is a cardboard box which has six varieties of dry fruit. Price is around 600 to 700 rupees per kg. Again, all these items can be customized as per the client's requirement, so price will be determined accordingly. अगर आपको कुछ ये नहीं चाहिए, दूसरा आइटम चाहिए, तो we will give that also. In cardboard boxes we also have a concept. This is our brand, but अगर customer wants his brand to be printed, we can get boxes printed in his brand also. It comes with 4 varieties of dry fruits. This is cardboard box with 100 grams into 4 variety. For Diwali ये बहुत ज़्यादा बिकता है. Very common gift for Diwali. Price is around 500 to 600 rupees. Then we also have some other items. अगर for somebody who wants to give some higher value, this is 800 grams of dry fruit and a reusable Nakoda plastic dry fruit gift box. Price is around 900 to 1000 rupees. Then this is six items gift box. All the items can be customized. आपको जो होना we will give. Price is around 700 rupees per kg. 100 grams each item. Then some other items that we have. These are tin boxes. You can have 2 items. You can have 1 item as per your requirement. Again, it's a very beautiful tin box. You can pack like this. We have bigger tin boxes also. 4 or 6 items can also come as per the client's requirement. This is another variety of 4. In this we have not put the traditional items. इसमें आपको mixed dry fruits मिल जाएगा, cranberries हो जाएगी, and then we have cashews and almonds. So different. So as I'm trying to tell you that आपको जैसा हो ना, we'll customize the box for you. Then we also have wooden box. What we'll do is once you finalize the items, we will cover it with the plastic wrap and we'll also put a ribbon, so it looks very nice when you gift it. Then again, starting range products. Somebody wants to just give for marriages and all that. This starts at about 250-300 rupees. It will have 200 grams of dry fruit in it. We will also do customized packing for the customers. This is our brand. If somebody doesn't want to spend much on packaging, then they can go with this kind of packs. It's sealed with the machine so that you know it is safe. So this is this is our packing. This is for half kg. This is 1 kg packs. Some other customizable box that we have. Again, if quantity is more, we can give your brand also. Right now our brand is printed. It is a very simple box. Price is around 250 rupees. It will have one item of 200 grams. So like this, you can also make a set of 2 of them, and then you can give. This is again customizable gift boxes that comes. This is again a customized box that we can make for you. So friends, thank you for watching the video. Due to time constraint, we might not be able to show all the products and all the varieties that we have. अगर आप एक बार दुकान को आ गए तो we will show you whatever we have. You can also taste all the products before you buy. We will give you everything as per your satisfaction. The quality will be the most premium that you can get across the city. If you have any problem with the quality, we will offer you refund also. And thank you for watching. Please be safe.